Hello guys, I am Nilesh Kumar, here side Nilesh Kumar, and today I am gonna say about triple talaq. Friends, as we all know that India is a diverse country and we follow many religion, and Muslim religion is one of them. And in Muslim religion came into existence in around 500 AD, and after that many religious leader came into that religion, and around 1200 some leaders make a new amendment into the Muslim religion, and into that a triple talaq came into existence. And before that, there is no triple talaq. Earlier, there is only a two way of giving divorce. One is talaq e hasan, and another is talaq hasan. In talaq hasan, in talaq hasan, mainly when you give divorce to your better half, and then you have to given a chance that after 3 months only you have a concern to talk to the better half. But in talaq e hasan, it is given a 3 times in all the 30 days. You can visit your partner and concern whether to divorce or not. And if in the third times, if he not agree, then it is considered as a divorce. And around 1200, talaq e biddat came into existence, and we actually know it is as triple talaq, in which there is no prior reason given, and at the very same moment only, when you enchanted 3 times talaq, then it is considered as a divorce. But it is a wrong way of giving.
It is like a very flexible way, like oral divorce.
Very wrong way of giving divorce. And guys, and audience, and here are my few colleagues who want to discuss more about triple talaq.
I want to say about the triple talaq, that by uttering 3 times talaq, a Muslim person gave divorce to his wife, and this thing is very bad in my opinion, because by uttering only 3 times in any by any means, by messaging or any other medium, they gave talaq. So our government has become very strained about this and had made several laws regarding to ban this type of system.
What you can say about triple talaq? In one situation, when a husband is living in Dubai due to any thing, circumstances which happened between them, and due to that that person called his better half, and at the phone only he enchanted 3 times talaq, and at the very same time talaq happened. And what you can say, if just take the example, if more salt will be happen in a food, then then his mood will swing, and he will enchant 3 times talaq. And this is the major problems of triple talaq. When your mood swing, you can say at the very moment only.
This was one of the major problem of the triple talaq. When you will learn about the Indian Constitution, in the Article 25, it is written in that under any religion there are several personal laws of that religion, and in Article 25 there are many articles related to that. And there is one organization in our India that is basically called AIMPLB. Its full form is All India Muslim Personal Law Board. these organizations make religious laws in their religion. So uh, so many things are happening. So you tell.
What happening in a Muslim community? They will be solved. Their
Uh,
problems.
Friends, as we all know that the things which the decision which we make in a very fast moment, it is always wrong, and decision which we make in a full concentrated way, in a full if we used our mind at that for taking that decision, then the chances and the probability of getting that decision wrong is very much less as compared to the fast decision.
As there is a problem about triple talaq, there is also a very critical situation and a big problem of the nikah halala. If that divorced woman want to marry again with the previous person,
Then you have to marry
then she had
the
to consummate a
second,
second marriage. Then she had to consummate second marriage.
and after that,
And after that giving divorce, then she will have she will want to engage with the first person, then she can.
actually
So
if,
this was bad.
actually if we see deep meaning of Quran, there is nothing written about triple
Triple
talaq,
talaq or
and
nikah
and it is created by some of the leaders of Muslim around
Yes.
around 1200,
1200.
and
When Turkish
and
invaders came in our country.
if we in Muslim, there are many category. Some are Sunni,
Shia and Sunni, basically.
Shia and Sunni,
Yes.
and
There is also conflict between these two communities.
in both the category, there is nothing written like about triple talaq, and it is you can say it is a man-made
It in
Man-made, divorce.
from the medieval times it came into existence by like uttering 3 times talaq, then the person give the talaq. By by the time changes, this practice does not stop, and it happens till now.
as we
In our in the Hindu religion also, there was a earlier practice known as sati pratha. Those things were stopped by the viceroy around 1800.
as we discussed there.
That was that sati pratha was also very ruthless.
As we discuss about their marriage way, when a marriage is happening in a Muslim religion, then in both side one priest is present, and in both the group 5 members are present, who is confirming that his bride and groom is full conscious, using his full consciousness for taking decision, and if anything if any expression mis-expression is happening in his face, then also it is not considered as a marriage, and they ask in the favor of like about 1000 money, are you agree to marry this man? Then they say I am agree, and in the same way the same question is asked to the other
Better half.
other better half, that are you agree in the favor of 1000, or the amount which is there in the amount which is present. Just like if you taking so much concern for making that marriage purposeful, then why it is not why it is not happening in the case of divorce? There should also be 5 members present.
Yes.
So it is not
You are telling good point.
so it is not happening in triple talaq. At the very same moment, only you are taking divorce by enchanting 3 words, and you are not concerning about a particular members.
That's why our Indian government has had decided to remove this kind of activity. So basically, what Indian government had done at that time, they called up about 4,710 Muslim women, and they did voting about removing that triple talaq, and approx 90% Muslim women have agreed on the favor of removing that triple talaq. So that's why government had taken action, and mm, and 5 bench of justice have been uh, have been prepared
and in the
for removing
and
that.
in that benches when 5 judges are being called,
They
all are of
from
different
religions.
religions. One from Christian, one from Muslim, one from Hindu,
One
one
from
from
Jain.
Jain, and one from one
Hindu,
from
Muslim, Christian,
and is
Jain,
also from Sikh community.
From Sikh community.
And like that
And
decision,
majority,
and
three of them are in favor.
and in the favor 3-2, the triple talaq is disabled.
Yes, the Supreme Court has also made a statement about triple talaq, that what is sinful to the religion, that shall be removed from the law.
And also, if we discuss that around 297 pages of statements are given by Supreme Court, that why it is wrong.
Yes.
What is wrong in triple talaq? They have discussed, and that's why they disabled the triple talaq. And after disabling the triple talaq for a particular month, they also said to government to make a to pass a bill against that
Yes.
triple talaq. And that's why Modi government taken the decision to disable this triple talaq at a full-fledged way.
Yes, on the date I remember, that
29th
was
August.
22nd August
26 July 2019.
19,
2017.
not 17. It was 22 August 2017. It was the date.
No,
of that removing
you
the
are wrong in this.
triple talaq.
You are wrong in this matter. At that time, Saira Bano complained, filed against
This law.
against the government.
This amendment.
Against the government. What is wrong in the system? And he not filed any case about in against his better half. He filed a case against the government. What is wrong? He not only filed against triple talaq. She also filed case against what is wrong in nikah halala. And there is also one more thing with
She was in the favor of removing triple talaq, or in opposite
she is
manner.
against the three points which is wrong in Muslim religion. One is nikah halala,
Nikah, polygamy,
polygamy
and
and triple talaq. She filed a case against all the 3
All the
points.
three, yes.
And that's why this this topic had been raised in both the upper house and lower house.
She is a celebrity of Bollywood, and she had also in favor of removing triple talaq. So so this can be seen that how much serious is this triple talaq. By uttering only 3 times, it is so easy for a man to give talaq. So Muslim women suffer very much.
Don't you think that by uttering in that time when triple talaq is not disabled properly, in that time if you enchant 3 times by saying divorce, you can destroy anyone's life.
Yes.
And not thinking about what will happen with your son and daughter.
Basically, these things had been seen by our government. So that's why government has decided. Do you know that there are about
Actually, when they enchant about 3 times divorce, they don't think about their children. What will happen to their children when they will say triple talaq at the very same point, at the very same time only. What will happen? Where should they live? How they get educated? How they will get job? They will not think about these points, and they are if mood swing will happen at the very same time,
Yes.
you will enchant three
Talaq.
times the
Three
triple
times.
talaq,
Yes.
and you will not concerned about your children.
Do you know about there are about 55 Muslim majority countries in our world, and 22 of them are basically uh, uh, 22 of them basically are
against the-
are against this triple talaq,
And
including Pakistan and Bangladesh.
not only
They are our neighbors, but in our
not only Pakistan and Bangladesh,
but our country, this is Muslim minority country.
the developed
and
the
this
developed
type of
the
system is
developed
practiced.
country like Iran, Iraq, no, not Iraq, only Iran also disabled this, ban this law many more year ago.
Hmm.
And
Do
if
you
we,
want to say something?
No, please continue.
and if we say what's the there are three types of divorce present in a Muslim religion. One is talaq-e-hasan, talaq-e-hasan, and talaq-e-biddat. The only problem is with talaq-e-biddat, which is banned in
It is basically known as the triple talaq.
yes.
This triple talaq is basically is a unilateral divorce. From one side, it can be easily get divorced, but I think mutual divorce system should be there in every religion.
Don't you think that it can also destroy if a woman mischievously use their rights against the male partner? If anything
This
is
is a,
if
triple talaq
anything,
is a unilateral
listen me,
divorce
if
system.
anything is not good at their relation,
This thing
at
will happen only from the male side, not from the female side. And in the mutual
So,
and in the bilateral divorce system, what is that? They have to sign from both the sides. Male and female both will sign, and they will, and then divorce will.
So you are not seeing the deep concern about what will happen if a female partner will use this
Which-
law
which law?
the triple talaq bill, which is in the favor of female people. And if that lady used these rights for against his male partner in a wrong way, if anything
Basically, this thing you are saying is a very rare situation.
But,
Most of the
but
time,
this rare-
male
but this
partner,
rare,
he only
but-
said
but-
talaq 3 times.
but this rare thing will also happen in every house, can also happen in every
It
house.
can happen, but it is a very minor situation. You are telling. Most of the time, people had seen that that male partner utter 3 times talaq and give the divorce. So from female side, it very rarely happens.
So if we discuss that the bad impacts of triple talaq not only destroy two partners' life, it also destroys the whole
The future generations.
not future generation, their family members, the family members of bride, the family members of groom, and the both family members life is destroyed by saying the three special words,
3 special words.
3 times talaq.
three controversial words.
Controversial words.
After seeing such type of activity, therefore, government should ban.
Yes.
And what you both think about after banning, what is the good impact of in our society?
If we see the good impacts of of banning this talaq, there will be many good things will happen in society. Now it will give a new wings to the female Muslim
The person will not directly will say
it
talaq,
will-
and that thing will be closed.
It will give a new wings to the it will add a new wings to the rights of a female Muslim lady. If any mischievous thing will happen in their home, and if their partner dares to say triple talaq, they can they can use
Complaint against
then they
their-
can use their rights to stop that person.
Basically,
to do
I
so.
think bilateral divorce system should be there in all the religion practice. So I think that should be there. Bilateral divorce system. Bilateral divorce means, I had earlier said, both person will agree to give divorce. Then the divorce will happen.
The concern of
Yes.
both the persons are being taken in bilateral divorce, and in the same way when marriage happens, bilateral concerns are important to get married. In the same way, it is important. And if we talk about what are the main issue why people are against why mischievous people, why antisocial people are stopping are not
Well,
allowing this are not allowing this amendment to
Made by
pass,
the government.
because they want to they are not in the favor of an Indian citizen, you can say. They
Yes.
only think about how to earn more votes. They work for
There
their
are many anti-national people.
they only
in our
work for
country
their for their vote bank, how to increase their vote bank, and
Yes.
they are not concerned about
The
the
BJP government,
welfare of
BJP
people.
government has made this amendment, and the opposition parties like Congress and other parties, they were opposing this.
What you can say about that particular party? They are not made any amendment through the rule of 70 years.
Yes.
And when something good will happen, they only want
They will
to
try to hindrance the path.
they created they act as a hindrance to stop passing that bill. If good will happen, if any good will happen in the favor of farmers, they will act as a hindrance to stop
No,
that bill to pass.
in that farmer bills, there are many loopholes that you don't know about that. There are many sabji mandis will be closed. So there are many issues in that bill. So I think that should not be passed.
And if you see the reviews of Indian Muslim ladies, they are about majority of not you say majority, the all Muslim lady who is the facer, who is the who you can say the facer of this triple talaq is in the favor of this triple talaq to ban. They happily accepted this bill, and only the problem with the man, only with the mischievous man who used this thing as a bad way.
Do you think the Taliban has recently overtaken in the Afghanistan?
Yes, with the help of ammunition, they captured the great positions of President House.
Do you think that the Taliban government will allow triple talaq or not?
We can't
Because they follow that law of that religion law.
we can't discuss about their mind state. What you can say about that? About their president, about their members who is ruling in a union government. About majority of their members are listed in a
In a terrorist list.
in a wanted list
Yes.
of security councils of union.
Yes.
And what you want to say, what good decision will they take for developing their own country?
Yes. I think they will implement
don't
triple talaq.
and also if you see sometimes old video, they not sit with a pen in a president house with a pen. They sit with a gun.
They always carry
gun. And
gun and ammos.
how can you peacefully develop a friendly relationship with those foreign country
with
who carries
that
gun in
government.
their behind?
They know only one thing, that how to trigger a gun. That is their language basically. So I want to conclude the debate about triple talaq by saying that this triple talaq system was bad in our environment, and government has taken a good decision to ban this type of law.
If you see the bad impacts of triple talaq, when consent is taken when marrying a both person, then the consent is same taken in the divorce system, and that is not present in triple talaq, and it is very important to ban this talaq, and I am in the favor of triple talaq.
At last, my conclusion is after ban the triple talaq, it is a good for that a woman suffering from that instant triple talaq. So it is a good for Muslim community, and they can easily develop that not in instant talaq.
If you like this video, don't forget to press the bell icon, and if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to press the subscribe button. And thank you, and don't forget to put the comments on comment box.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.